Dahil tuluyan ng namaalam si Mokang sa Batang Quiapo, may mensahe ang aktres na si Lovie Poe kay Tanggol at kay Coco Martin. Hindi inasahan ng mga taga-subaybay ng Batang Quiapo, ang biglaang pagkawala ni Lovie Poe sa teleserye, dahil akala ng lahat, makakasama ni Tanggol si Mokang, hanggang matapos ang teleserye. Kaya naman, maraming netizens ang nalungkot. Sa kanyang Instagram post nitong ika-4 ng Enero, nag-post siya ng isang tribute message, para sa bumubuo ng naturang teleserye. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang message ni Mokang para kay Tanggol. Ayon kay Lovie Poe, "To my dearest tagapagtanggol, maybe in another life." Dahil hindi na nga sila magkakatuluyan pa. Bukod dito, may mensahe mismo si Lovie para sa kay Coco na siyang partner nito at direktor ng teleserye. Nagpasalamat ang aktres kay Coco dahil sa pagpapatuloy nito ng legacy ng kanyang ama na si Fernando Poe Jr. "Direk Coco, my dad's legacy is in great hands. Salamat at pinagpapatuloy mo. Coco, I will always be one of your biggest fans. Please try to get some sleep," dagdag pa ni Lovie Poe. "I am truly blessed to have been part of a project that represents my father's name. It was a first and it will always mean the world to me. My deepest appreciation to Sir Deo, Tita Cory and ABS-CBN for this opportunity. You have given me a missing piece to my puzzle. For that, I will always be grateful. A big part of my 2023 was breathing life into a character I have grown to love. What a privilege it was to play Mokang. She was a fighter, and she taught me how it is to truly be free. It really was a tough decision for me to make, but I have decided to turn the page. To my Batang Quiapo team, the depth of your creativity and imagination knows no bounds, and I know you will continue to soar high. I will always be cheering for all of you from afar. Mamimiss ko kayo ng malala. To my dearest tagapagtanggol, maybe in another life. Direk Coco, my dad's legacy is in great hands. Salamat at pinagpapatuloy mo. Coco, I will always be one of your biggest fans. Please try to get some sleep. At sa mga nagmamahal kay Mokang, sobrang mahal ko din kayo. Maraming salamat po. Inyong tropa. Mokang, now signing off. Samantala, may mga fans na nagsasabing, baka buntis na raw si Lovie Poe, kaya biglaan ang pag-alis niya sa Batang Quiapo. Matatanda ang kailan lang ikinasal ang aktres sa isang British, na si Monty Blancoe.